Good day, lecturer. My name is Taki. I'm with my colleague here. We are about to present our rubric in terms of the criteria. In this video, we're going to talk about the rubric we created for our talk show about the atmosphere's composition and structure. So this rubric is for our grade 10 learners who are learning English as their first additional language, and with many other learners speaking English as their third additional language. How will this rubric be assessed? We have 7 criteria, but then I'll dwell more onto the first 3 points. Therefore, my colleague here will take you through the rest of the criteria. First criteria is the content accuracy. Basically, it explains the learners should give correct information and complete the information about the atmosphere's structure and composition. The second point, in terms of the criteria, we will talk about the organization and structure. This part shows how well learners planned and presented their ideas, and also it contributes for them in terms of improving their English as a first additional language. The last point about this criteria, another point in this rubric in terms of criteria, we will talk about again the collaboration and participation. This will show us how learners cooperated and worked together to present their ideas. Thank you.
Afternoon. Carrying on with these criteria, I'm going to talk about creativity and the use of props. When we talk of creativity and the use of props, we want to see how learners use those props in a creative manner in order to carry out this talk show. We want learners to use these props in order to portray an image of a person they'll be playing during the talk show. Another one, we are talking about the presentation skills. We want to look at how learners speak and how these learners use eye contact and body languages in order to engage with their audiences during the talk show. And then we're also going to talk about time management. We want learners to pay special attention to their time management using the time allocated for them, which is 5 minutes. We want them to stay beyond those 5 minutes in order whenever they're doing this talk show. And the last one, we're going to talk about engagement and audience interactions. We want our learners to engage with their audience in a manner that they also make sure that the talk show is more collaborative, and then it also plays a role in engaging and also in influencing the knowledge and instilling knowledge into their audiences. And then when we talk about why this assessment is suitable, the rubric is good because it aims to look at what the learners is expected to do and how they will be assessed. Providing the learners with this rubric will give them a chance to know what they are expected to do and what is expected from them when they do their talk show. This rubric will also play a major role to learners who are not good with English. In conclusion, this rubric helps to see not just the talk show, but also how hard the learners have worked in order to make sure that this talk show is successful and is carried out well. Thank you.